How do we create enough content to keep our social media profiles active? Like, how does everybody do that? Well, today's hack, I want to show you how to create 10 pieces from one piece. And that's going to be taking your video and turning it into 10 posts. Hey, social jibber jabberers, I'm Laura Paige Hamlin of Social Jibber Jabber, and I help small businesses and startups work through their online presence struggles. Come along and watch, and let's show you how to create lots of content from one piece of content. Come. Okay, so I came over into Canva and I set up this social media post here that I want to duplicate and have it in 8 different platforms so I can easily have all the sizes ready to go and be able to submit them through Hootsuite and schedule them out for the next 8 days. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to resize and I'm going to create a Facebook cover, an Instagram post. We'll do Twitter post. We'll do Instagram story. We'll do a YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, so let's copy and resize those. So you'll notice up top, we've got our YouTube thumbnail. We've got the story, which can be used for both Instagram and Facebook. We've got our Twitter post. We've got our Instagram post and our Facebook post. And then we've got a Facebook cover art. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options here. 8 options for posts. Now we've got all of these thumbnails created. It's super simple. We download them, we upload them, we schedule them, and there you have it. So the next thing that I've done is gone ahead and downloaded all of the script from my videos, and I've created blog posts from them. So over here, the Become a DIY Graphic Designer, I now have a URL that I can share with each and every single one of those images. So what's great about this? It gets people back to your website. And why do we want them on our website? For many reasons. For one, you can remarket to them. For two, you get people to recognize your brand even further. So I have created a link that can now be tied into each and every single one of those posts. Now, if you wanted to get them back to your YouTube channel, you would grab your YouTube link. So I'm in Filmora, and that's something I found online for free, and you can download it and use the free version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the first 30 some odd seconds and I'm going to snip it and then grab the right side here and trash it. What I'm going to do at the end of this little 30-second snippet is I'm going to add an element at the end. I'm going to add a title, which will allow me to direct people to my YouTube channel in order to get them to subscribe or watch the video. See what that looks like. All right, if you're happy with that, you save the project, download it, and you can use that in your Instagram video. So that's a very quick tutorial on how you can create 10 posts with, well, 2 programs really, Filmora and Canva. Don't forget to like and to subscribe because your help helps me help you. Does that make sense? So by liking and subscribing, I get to keep providing you with valuable content that'll help your startup thrive.